Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making viral Kunafa chocolate recipe from scratch. We want pista 1 cup. Make fine powder. Keep aside Kunafa dough, or you can use Romali Semia. Butter 4 tablespoons. Kunafa half cup. Roast on low flame for 10 minutes. Dark chocolate, white chocolate optional. Kunafa is ready. Now add pista powder. Sugar 4 tablespoons. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. I am melting chocolate double boiler method. Melt the chocolate. Dark chocolate. Melt the white chocolate. Now add coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Mix. Food color. Do like this. Coconut oil 4 tablespoons. Transfer to a chocolate mold. Now add Kunafa. Now again next layer chocolate. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Yummy Kunafa chocolate is ready. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.